What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be reviewing Dogelon Mars. We'll check out the website and check out the things that I feel you guys need to know the most, alright? Just a quick reminder guys, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is purely for educational and informational purposes only. So let's get it on. Alright guys, so Dogelon Mars landing page link will be in the description of the video. That way when you want to do your own research, you just have to click on the link. It will take you directly to the website, avoiding any phishing sites. Alright, so Dogelon Mars, what do we need to know about this one? So I'm Dogelon Mars, join me and together we will reach the stars. Here guys are the links, like the Telegram, the Twitter, that you guys could follow. That way, when they make announcements or updates, you will be notified as well. And we'll be checking CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko and the rest of the other exchanges, how much the coin price there in their exchange, okay? So, join the community. Dogelon Mars is Twitter, at Dogelon Mars. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me, and together, we will reach the stars. So, 650,000 followers right there. So, if you click on this one, it will take you to their site right there. Now, it's already 518,500 followers. Just click on the follow right there. That way, you will be notified when they make announcements in their Twitter account. All right, so let's go back in Dogelon Mars. Let's check out the comics right here. Comic saga begins. Follow the story of Dogelon Mars as he explores the greatest mysteries of the galaxy and seeks to recolonize the planet he once called home with the help of the friends he made during his travel through the stars. So Dogelon Mars 01. So you'll see there guys, if you're into comics, they really have a like comic type of story here. 3, 4, they have 4. Alright, so Dogelon Mars 1, year 2420. Wow, 2420. Mars has successfully been recolonized after the first galactic voyage. A young Rufus and Astrid Mars settle in for their morning pancakes as they discuss plans for the future. But little do they know of the storm that is brewing beyond the walls of their cozy colony. There are also wordings there. And you'll see here guys, Dogelon Mars, ELON is the token name. Let's go ahead and check out CoinMarketCap right here. So Dogelon Mars, ELON, you see there? 0.00000. Wow, zero. A lot of zeros right there. 603047. So it's down by 2.65%. But again, it's understandable because the crypto market as well as Bitcoin, slight dip. It's at like somewhere around like 21,000 right now. 21 to 22,000 is playing right around that figures. Let's go ahead and check out CoinGecko. CoinGecko, how much is ELON here? So 0.00000306377. So down 0.1%. So you'll see the graph right here. Up and downs, the usual trend. But again, guys, since the market is not so good right now, you will see that, you know, almost all of the tokens, if not all, are really dipping. So it's normal. And you just have to do your own research. You know, it's the perfect time for you guys to get in and start investing in legitimate projects. Okay, I would like to make myself clear on that one. Don't just invest into any projects. All right, so make sure to do your own research. That way, you know, when you invest your money, invest only the money that you can afford to lose. All right. So let's go ahead and check out how to get started. So right here, create a MetaMask wallet. Create a MetaMask wallet using either a desktop computer or an iOS or Android mobile device that will allow you to buy, send, and receive ELON. Send the ETH to your wallet. You can buy Ethereum directly on MetaMask or transfer it to your MetaMask wallet from exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, etc. Connect your wallet. Access your wallet by clicking connect to a wallet and then selecting MetaMask and then swap .eth or ELON. So you can start swapping as soon as you have ETH available. Select a token, enter the token address, or search for it on the tokens list. And how are you going to know the token address? You can go to CoinGecko right here, and then you just have to click on it. So it also has Polygon. And if you click that little box icon, it will automatically add that token to your MetaMask. Or you can click copy so you can get the contract address and then just add it up in your wallet. So if you're using a MetaMask, easiest way for you to add that would be to click that fox icon right there. So what else can we check out on this one? So if you click on this figure right there, guys, it will take you directly to the coin market cap page. So you'll see the graph here. So if you're that type of person that's really good with technical analysis and you do scalping, like buy low, sell high, those type of stuff, then this might be a good token for you to do your scalping in. What else? Let's see the community. So these are the community for Dogelon, Twitter, Telegram. They have 90K followers as well there. I would strongly suggest that you join all the socials. It will be available in the description of the video. That way, when they announce like airdrops or any giveaways or anything like that, or any important information that's vital in terms of your strategy in investing, like buying, when you're gonna buy, when you're gonna sell, and all those type of stuff, you'll be notified when you are joined in those socials. All right, I would strongly suggest again, guys, for you to check them out. Do your own research, no matter what project that is. Always do your own research. There's a lot of videos in YouTube just like this, like reviews and all those type of stuff. But again, take that into consideration, but don't just rely on that. Make sure to always dive in, check out the information, the graph, the prices and all those type of stuff. And those are all going to be very, very important and should always be a part of your decision making. All right, so that's it for now. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions on what project you would like us to make a video on for the next coming videos, comment section below, feel free to do that, and we will be considering that for the future contents that we'll be creating. Also, click on the like and subscribe, click that bell, that way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. That's it for now. I'm out. Peace.